Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel DIY Savvy Mommy. I'm Kshitij and I love making DIY arts, home decor, and lifestyle videos. In today's video, I'm participating in the Chic for Cheap challenge. It is hosted by Christi from the channel Christi Creates. Christi is absolutely amazing and you will definitely love her channel and her content. I have mentioned her channel link along with the playlist down in the description box. In this challenge, we have to recreate a chic and expensive DIY, that too for very less. And for today's inspiration, I have this beautiful metal flower that I saw at a website called Home Tales. It was very pretty, and I really loved the coastal colors, but it was a whopping $95, and I really never wanted to spend $95 for a large flower like so, but I somewhere knew that I could recreate it, so I tried making this flower in the coastal colors and the ombre finish. So let's begin. Also, if you enjoy watching this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and let's begin with the video. To recreate the metal flower, I just used two items, and that is cardboard and cardstock, and I cut 9 large flower petals out of cardboard, and all of them were the same size. For the smaller petals, I took cardstock in the shade blue color. You can take whatever color you like, but I really like the coastal shades of blue and the texture, so I took blue cardstock. And then I also, for the inner portion, I took brown cardstock because I really wanted that brown weathered look to peep from the inside, so I took two shades, blue and brown. I cut 3 layers of petals in brown and blue to complete the entire look of the flower. The brown petals are slightly larger compared to the bigger cardboard petals because the smaller petals are what are going to be folded outwards. So for folding the petals, I took a wooden dowel and I simply stretched out the cardstock so as to make it roll outwards, and this is how I'm going to recreate the folded petals. For the innermost layer of the flower, that means the pollen portion of the flower, I folded a strip of cardstock into half and then just cut small strips out of it and folded it with the help of a wooden dowel, and then I glued it with the help of hot glue. Then it comes, the coloring part comes, and I used blue chalk paint mixed with silver metallic color. So I wanted this dusty blue color, and I had this very bright blue chalk paint and I wanted the dusty color, so I mixed metallic silver color and blue chalk paint to create this dusty blue color. And I with the help of a dabber, I just dabbed the paint onto the petals that I made. Also, the metallic silver color gives a nice sheen to my flower petals, which makes it look like it is made up of metal, and this is what the look I was opting for. So a nice sheen plus the dusty blue chalk paint looks really nice, and this is what I was looking forward to put in as a color. And on the tips of the flower I used white chalk paint, and I just dabbed effortlessly onto the outer portion of the petals like so. Also, as we see in the original inspiration picture, there are grooves and veins made up of on the petals of the flowers. So I wanted to make these veins, and for that I just took hot glue and made the design out of hot glue. And I think this was a really nice idea because I didn't have to do anything, just draw with the hot glue, and the veins were ready. So similarly, I created veins on the petals with the help of hot glue on all the 9 large petals, and then I painted all the 9 large petals with the help of the dusty blue chalk paint that I created. For the inside petals also, I dabbed the blue chalk paint, and I really wanted the brown color to peep from inside, so I kept it very bare minimum so that all the colors blend really nice. For the inside petals also, I colored the tips with white chalk paint, and I blended enough so that all the colors really merged nicely. Once all the petals were complete, I let them dry for some time, and then once they were absolutely dry, I started the gluing part. I took a large cardboard size and cut it into a circle, and then I started layering up my petals like so. I laid the large petals one on top of the other, and then I started layering the smaller petals inside. For gluing the inside of the petals, I first took a wooden dowel and stretched the cardstock nicely so that the petals roll on the outside, and then made a small slit at the base of the petal, and then put hot glue and just overlap the petals, the two portions one on top of the other to create a nice texture at the below. And from there I folded the petal outwards, and this helps to glue the petal nicely. After all the petals of the flowers were glued together, to give the finishing touches, I took metallic gold paint and started making the edges of the petals slightly bright and colorful as shown in the inspirational picture. So just on the side and the corners of the petals I just created little streaks of gold so that it enhances the sides and the edges. And this is how my recreated cardboard and cardstock flower looks. Absolutely gorgeous, and it cost me really nothing. I just made them with the things that I had at hand, the colors, the paint and the hot glue. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all really soon. Take care and bye bye.